for part 2. Wait, we left off of you picking. You pick.
I already picked this.
Yeah, I already picked mine, so you go.
Haley refused to do her homework for me.
Where's she at?
She's coming back. She says I'll come back around 5 to do it.
Nice. So, Iron Man.
Done homework too?
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun.
Yeah.
Someone with tail.
Yeah.
Iron Man.
Is it alive?
No.
Where?
El Toro with no horns. I pick. Wait, is this the one? No. Where's that one at? Donna. Because every wrecking crew has a Detroit symbol on somewhere, but I don't see that guy. Who? Guys, leave in the comment if you like Mohawk Warrior.
Do you
I
like dog?
Joy, no! Shut up.
Why?
This one, I picked.
Wait, you have to tell them how much thumbs up we need.
How much thumbs up?
61.
61 thumbs up. You probably won't make it because you're cute. Okay, pick.
Ninja Turtle.
Cat. Cat.
In
Cat.
America.
Yeah. I already got a squad.
Wait, did you get the... Oh, I died.
Northern Nightmare.
Dying.
What's one there? So, here's her team. It's all crowded. Like, they're ready to weather and they're probably having a secret plan. Here's mine. Just line them up. I'm in a wrecking crew talking. Yeah, go.
Ding, 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 da.
Bat. No, not
Ding,
that.
ding, ding, da. Hey, yo.
Shaka. Let's go, Goobers.
Susie, you can pick mine. I don't care. Just pick mine.
Yep, so she's going somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm going to pick. Wait,
For
there's,
me, you can pick for me.
she's going to have the really bad one. This one. She's going to have Vegan Johnny. Vegan. I'm going to have Silver Diecast Batman. Silver Diecast Batman. Pew.
Then I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay. There's no one in there, is there?
Huh. What's this one? Bad habit. That's going to be me. Tori needs a pick too. She's going to have Spidey and Soup.
Go on, go on the other one.
Hold on. Be right back.
Go on the other one.
15 calls left.
How much longer?
I pick him.
About half hour or so.
Who's going to have
My
some
lotion is?
Yeah. I just seen it.
this one. I'm of course going to have Patriots. He's going to have a yo guy. I'm going to have Stone Crusher. She's going to have, I don't know his name. I'm going to be him. Now let's go over here. Tori's going to be him. I'm going to be him. Oh, Tori, I said it's going to be Mohawk Warrior.